going on, guys? So we're gonna do a little bit of a break reveal. For the last break I was just in here, the local card shop on the 29th there. So here we go. I obviously know one of the good ones already. You got the old pink Mac Jones rated rookie, pink. So yeah, very nice card. If I remember right, this was a all optic break. So let's see what else we got, if there's anything even worth getting excited about. Marquise Stevenson, got the silver. Ramondre, we got some of the bronze. Michael Carter, Ronnie Perkins, Ramondre again, Greg Rousseau, Christian Barmore. You can guess what division I had, huh? Javon Holland, Jamison Crowder, Mac Jones gifted rookie, not terrible there. Mac Jones the rookies, not terrible there. Got a Zach Wilson on the legendary logos, not a terrible card there. Got an Elijah Moore blue, nice looking card there. Old Nelson Aguilar. I'm guessing a lot of these are going to be base. Josh Allen, Stephon Diggs, Mr. Beasley, Drew Bledsoe, Drew who? And that's it. So yeah, not too bad. I mean, obviously, we got a nice couple of parallels, a nice mem, nice Zach Wilson. We ended up with 3 Mac Joneses, so not a terrible break. Not a terrible break at all. I don't think there was any numbered, if I recall. Yeah, I don't think there's any numbered other than just the bronze inserts. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for this break results. I do have a couple more boxes to get opened up. We'll be doing those videos a little bit later. So as always, guys, if you like what you're seeing, please follow, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Later, guys.